You know what they say, once you go Mac, you don't go back. It's been great. I've been using Mac since probably 2011. Super efficient, processing powers unrivaled. Just the power again from a processing perspective. We've got quite a broad team doing a lot of broad, duties, everything from heavy design to marketing to deep tech work. And, we use Mac across the board for everyone because no other machine rivals it from a processing perspective.
We also are a very security conscious business, so a lot of the Mac ecosystem tools help us with stuff like that, ensuring everything is safe. So October is a SOC 2 Type 2 compliant business, which basically just means there's a lot of security requirements placed on us around data and controls and stuff like that. It's very easy to implement SOC 2 compliance within the Mac OS ecosystem. And then monitor those devices, make sure that, things like the hard drives being encrypted is like default now on Mac OS, etc. So it's just been much easier and less of a burden on us maintaining security in our, on our staff's devices by using Macs.
Compared to other platforms and machines, Macs just perform way better. One, again, the terminal for me just feels more natural as a software developer using that terminal. It's just more Linux-based, which is what most software developers are used to.
Super easy to keep moving, and then obviously working together with people, it's seamless to share across different teams. I think working across different teams, but particularly focusing on design and marketing, there's a lot of different tools that work much quicker generally on a Mac. Just because the processing time is so much quicker. Things like Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator, things like that. Our design team finds that it's a lot easier to actually use it on a MacBook. We also do quite a bit of video editing. So I think from start to finish, the Mac plays quite a huge role in our podcast. From video editing, we use different tools. We use snippets for social media, so the tools of cutting videos into shorter pieces, adding different music, things like that, it's all done on a Mac.
The reliability, I think we do find it a really good, reliable machine. And again, when things go wrong, the big thing is always service, even though we haven't actually needed that very often. And then the ability to obviously really latch into other devices you're using as well, be it your iPhone, your iPad. We find that really efficient across the Apple brand.
More specifically, iMessaging and FaceTime has been very helpful in terms of communicating with other colleagues.
Using my MacBook is really central to my role. I think I live on my computer as well as my iPhone. And again, I think it's just great to have a device that's always reliable, always works, and if something does go wrong, the service is always great. For anyone thinking about switching to Mac, I would actually lend a saying from one of my other favorite brands, and I would say just do it.
From a team perspective, why we choose Mac is, we're business customers. We've got a hybrid model, so some of our team are in office, some of them are completely remote. But part of our benefit and our relationship with the iStore here is that we can order devices, pay for them, and get it delivered to the door of employees.